Once upon a time in Dragonland, a story by Alma illustrated by Sandra Lavenderia of Frogstreet Press Incorporated. Once upon a time in Dragonland, there lived a family of extraordinary dragons. They were huge with shining scales and very large teeth, but the most surprising thing about them was their enormous appetite. The father was called Fire Eater. The mother was called Dragonette. The little dragon baby was just learning how to crawl. Each member of the dragon family had a favorite food. Baby could pull himself to a shining band and gobble it up. Small trucks were his favorite. Father's dragon's favorite was trains. He swallowed tank cars like gumdrops, popping them down his throat without pausing to chew. He only took time to savor the puffing engines because the steam tickled his lips. Mother Dragon was on a diet, so she wanted to stay in shape. She nibbled on buses and trucks and occasional bikes. The delicate dragonette ate very little. One time, an unsuspecting plane landed in the field next to the dragon family home. Baby was delighted. He thought a tasty snack had fallen out the sky. Baby Dragon crawled to the plane. The little plane took one look at Dragon, and it shook with fear. Quickly, it restarted its engine and zipped through the runway and soared into the sky. Baby opened his wings and swooped after the plane. Even though he was just learning to crawl, Baby had been flying gracefully since the day he was born. Fire Eater, our child is gone, cried Dragonette. Hurry, we must rescue him. He is following that little plane and he wants to play a flying game. Ever since that day, the dragon parents play hide and seek with their little one in the sky. Those who do not know this story talk of lightning and thunder, but when the clouds form and flashes of lights rumble across the sky, you will know that it is only the great dragons playing with their child. The end.